Welcome, folks, to Neighbors Nature. We got a deer right here. A bunch of deer, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's this guy going? He's ahead of the chase, folks. Let's get close, folks. Alfalfa! That's what we were just talking about. Just can't hear them in the back there. It's funny. That was a good movie, Little Rascals. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Here we go. This is. Yeah, look at him. I think there's actually 2 there, right? Yeah, there is. I think that's one right behind those bushes. 1. Or no, that might be just bushes, shrubberies. That might be just 1. Yes. Never mind, that's just 1 deer. Huh. So that's 1. And then you got these guys right here. These deer, folks. Up there!
Yeah, no shit. I thought it had turbos on it. And then his friend got knocked off. I told you about it. I was like, fucking leave him.
Why is he ahead of her?
Die.
There is. No, there is 2 deer there. I knew there was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 deer here, folks. Not a lot on an episode. You licking yourself, you bastard? Look at the clouds. My, that looks terrifying. Oh, there's one by the stone. Yeah, he moved to the stone over there. To the Stone Ages, folks. To the Stone Ages. Oh.
And Alicia was like going over with him, you know? Yeah. And he went, and I fucking did like a backflip off the fucking deer.
Where you going, deer? Hey! Where you going? Where are you going? Look, he ran away from his family. You bastard, you're just like my mother. Oh dear! Say it ain't so, Fred! Fred! Joe! Mama! Oh boy! This guy looks like he just wants to take off. Look at him. A nice, weird, still position. Just look at him. My God! Or I guess that's a her, but that's a buck. Those 2, the 2 that my cameras are definitely bucks. You can see the horns on their head, or their antlers, not horns. They're not the devil. Ew, sorry. And then you just got these 2 over here. One of these 2 might be a buck. I don't think so, but buck for those 2. So that's it, folks. Yep, there you go, folks. So click that subscribe button, folks. And thanks for watching the Neighbors Nature with these 7 deer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Next episode will probably be tomorrow because I posted a lot today, so this is it. So subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Is that deer still? Oh, that deer is gone. She left. That deer left. So sorry, guys. Oh, well. Thanks for the content. Subscribe for more, folks. Thanks for the content. And click that notification bell so you know when we upload. If you want to be notified when we upload. And like this video if you enjoy my videos. And if you want to comment, even though I can't see it, give it a comment. So thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Say bye. Yep. Goodbye.